So we want to welcome you all here. We're all here because we have played some type of role, significant role in the life of Brett and Brittany. And it is an honor to be here. And we've been with them, as individuals in the past, and now they are coming together. And we need to show them support as they continue on together. I feel like vision has been just so instrumental in my marriage and having a common vision. So in Proverbs chapter 29, verse 18, it says, "Where there is no vision, the people perish, but he that keeps the law, he is happy." And it's that way in any aspect of life, in many aspects of life. Whatever it is, without a vision, things aren't going to survive. Things are going to wither. Things are going to die. Things aren't going to thrive. We must know where we are going, because there's going to be trials, without a doubt. There's going to be hard times. There's going to be things that you sure couldn't plan for, and that's probably going to be the norm. It's going to happen more often than not. But if you have that vision that's set out before you, you can move through those trials. You can move through those, whatever it is, an argument, you can move through it because you know where you want to be. You know where you're heading.
The essence of marriage is a covenant, which is one of the primary reasons why we're here today, right? The essence of marriage is a covenant. In Genesis 2:24, we're told that a man leaves his mom and his dad, and he's joined to his wife, and the two are united into one. If feelings, if children, or physical intimacy was the essence of marriage, then marriage could be it was something that would just come and go. It would be a moment-to-moment thing, but the essence of marriage is a promise. It's a promise, you guys. Will all of you witnessing these promises do all in your power to uphold these two persons in marriage? And if so, answer, we will. We will. So let these rings be a sign that love has a past, a present, and a future for both of you. These rings announce to the world that you have found and you're committed to your soulmate. I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
And as a reminder that I will always love you.
And as a reminder that I will always love you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To the end of my days.
To the end of my days.
I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
I give you this ring as a sign that I choose you.
And as a reminder that I will always love you.
And as a reminder that I will always love you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To the end of my days.
To the end of my days.
So by the authority vested in me by the state of Pennsylvania, and as your brother in Jesus Christ, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brett, you may kiss your bride.